Hi ARK fans, welcome to ARK Invest Daily, your daily dose of ARK information. Today we are going to put spotlight on Tesla. Today's trades have not been uploaded on their website yet, but this doesn't surprise me much because on Thursdays it is generally delayed. So we, instead of going over the biggest moves of today, we'll be putting the spotlight on Tesla because some of the YouTubers are reporting that they bought a lot of shares of Tesla yesterday. Which is true, but at the same time, we should look at the bigger picture and we should look at the trends because they have been selling also, trimming it a little bit. So let's take a look at it, and please like and subscribe because that helps this channel immensely with the YouTube algorithms. And that's it. I'll see you on the other side with more information on Tesla in ARK funds. Welcome back, friends. Today we are putting the spotlight on Tesla just to take a look at the trends of ARK position in Tesla, how they've been buying or reducing it. So this is the share count trend, this is the stock price trend, and this is the market value trend. And I've been recording data since January 26th. Today we are going to make this very quick because today's data is not uploaded on ARK website yet. So we are putting the spotlight on Tesla up till yesterday's data. So let's select Tesla quickly in all the ARK funds. This is Tesla's position, and this is how they have been buying more and more shares since the beginning of this year. Actually, since January 26th, since when I've been recording it. This has always been their number one position. As you can see, if I select Tesla, you'll see the ranking chart is always number one. So this chart is not very useful for Tesla, but it's more useful for other companies to see how they have been rising through the ranks of 260 or 70 companies that ARK is invested in. So, well, anyways, let's take a look. On January 26th, they had 3.7 million shares, which they continuously bought more and more and more. They reduced a little bit here. Again, the maximum number of shares that they have ever had for Tesla is 5.5 million. This is all the ETFs combined. We are going to break it by ETFs as well, just to see which ETF has the most. No surprises there. ARKK will have the most, but just to take a look. And then you'll see that during this bad phase when stock price was going down, how they have been reducing the shares a little bit, and then it has been a bit of roller coaster from here to here. And then yesterday they bought a little bit more. This was about 94,000 shares that they bought when you do a diff from previous day, 94,000 shares, and which they had in past also. Like they reduced it and then bought it again. That's all that has happened. They're basically buying the dip. So if you look at the stock price trend, it has gone down. The lowest it had been was 563. This is end of the day. End of the day share price. I don't record in the middle of day or every moment, but this is end of the day chart, end of the day stock price chart. So it might have gone even lower than this at some point, but this on March 8th, it was 563. Well, the data comes on 1 day late, so this is March 7th. It's 563. Market ended at that rate. And then the highest it has been is 883. It's amazing. So earlier this year in January 26th is when I started recording. And then more recently, it has again been a roller coaster going up and down. It had recovered to the level of 762 at one point, and then went down again to 563. More recently, it has been in 600 range, but yesterday it reduced from 659 to 644. So that's the stock price trend, and market value is a function of stock price and shares count. So they have always had a lot of investment in Tesla. Since time I've been recording, it is 3.29 billion to today it's 3.24 billion. So net it is negative just because of the stock price has gone down, not because they have stopped believing in this company. Since the beginning to now, it has only increased. The total number of shares has only increased. The highest market value that they have ever had for this company was 4.2 billion. So that's Tesla. Let's quickly slice it by ETFs and see. Yeah, so it's present in 3 ETFs. This is ARKK trend, shares count trend. This is ARKW, shares count trend, and this is ARKQ, shares count trend. And then you can see stock price trend has been, it doesn't matter which ETF, stock price is stock price. At the end of the day, this is what the stock price was on those days. And then this is the market value, which is a function of this and this combined. Whichever is more overpowering, it takes the shape of that chart. So that's Tesla. Let's roll it back to total level. Yep. So that's what we have in Tesla. Yeah, always have been number one company. And just to show you the magic of this chart, let me select some other company just because so that you have context. If you're watching this channel for the first time, want to make sure. So just let's just select something which has risen in the ranks. So skills is something that they have been very bullish on. So I want to show you the magic of this chart quickly. If you select skills, oops, if you select skills, then you'll see how it has been rising through the ranks of ARK portfolio. It started at 147 rank, and then it reached all the way to the highest that it has been is rank 25, and more recently it's ranked 32 in ARK portfolio. So that's how this chart works. But today was spotlight on Tesla. So please like and subscribe, and I'll see you tomorrow with more information. Tomorrow we will be doing insider trades for ARK portfolio. So any companies that are present in ARK portfolio, what were the insider trades of the week for those companies? So those are the two important signals: insider trading and ARK's research. So at the intersection of these two, you will find gold, right? So that's the goal of this channel, to bring you the latest and greatest information about the ARK companies and also intersect it with insider trading. So please like and subscribe, and I'll see you tomorrow. Yeah, that was your daily dose. Thank you.